Vivian Chen of The Careerist, and I'm here today with Joan Williams, who is the director of WorkLife Center at the University of California at Hastings School of Law. Hello, Joan.
Delighted to be here, Vivian.
Yeah, thank you for coming. Joan has been in the trenches of women in the workforce for decades now, looking into that issue and the challenges that women face. And she's also the author of a new book called What Works for Women at Work. Joan's been the author of many books, but tell me, what's new about this one and what made you decide to write it?
What's new about this one is that I've been working for literally decades on organizational change, and the Center for Work-Life Law still does that. But organizations aren't changing as fast as we would have liked, and so women need a guidebook about how to navigate what's out there now, and that's what this book does.
I see. So this is a guidebook, whereas previously your books focused more on sort of structure, what should be done, but now you're sort of more down into brass tacks, the practicalities.
Well, before we were down to brass tacks practicalities about what organizations could do,
right.
And those are what the other books say.
Right.
We still work on that. This book is very different. This book is about strategies that women can use themselves to navigate through what's out there today. Very concrete strategies. For example, if you feel yourself having to prove yourself over and over, how you can do that. If you feel that when you return from maternity leave, somehow you're not being taken quite as seriously, how you can address that. Very concrete strategies for individual women to use.
Well, you identified 4 major issues that women face. Can you tell me how you came up with those particular issues?
They really stem from almost 40 years of social science. And I've mentioned 2 of them, what I call prove it again, that women have to prove themselves over and over often. The second is we call the tightrope, that women often feel they have to choose between being liked but not respected or respected but not liked. The third is the maternal wall, which I discussed. And the final one is that sometimes gender bias against women fuels conflict among the women. We call that tug of war.
So the book is meant to address issues for both younger women and older women, would you say?
That's right. I mean, I interviewed 127 women,
right.
My team did, and 96% had encountered one or more of these patterns of gender bias. But often younger women encountered it in different ways than older women did.
I see. I guess one last question. Can you just tell me, are you optimistic or pessimistic about the direction that women are moving in right now?
I always say I'm very optimistic. That's what takes intellectual fervor and imagination. It's too easy to be pessimistic.
Thank you very much, Joan.
Thanks, Vivian.
And this is Vivian Chen of The Careerist. Thank you.